Greetings from National Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. This is a 2011 Cadillac CTS-4. Vehicle's an all-wheel drive, really in beautiful condition, inside and out, loaded up, leather inside, black interior with navigation, backup camera, really in nice shape. 2011. It's got about 90,000 miles on it, really in beautiful shape. Going to go panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Okay, we're taking a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in great shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Headlight on the passenger side looks good. It is equipped with fog lights here on the bottom, very nice. Taking a look at the grille. Grille's in good shape, has a little imperfection here and there, nothing major. Take a closer look there, very nice shape. Headlamp on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Fog light below, also in good condition. Taking a look at the hood, hood's in great shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Super clean. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Taking a look at the driver door, door looks good, clean throughout, really in great condition. Here on the edge it has a little crease on the door. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Rear quarter panel on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear bumper, really in beautiful condition throughout. Taking a look at the rear trunk lid, also in beautiful shape. The light on the driver's side looks perfect. Trunk's in beautiful condition. Rear light, tail light on the trunk looks good. Very nice condition. Taking a look at the light on the passenger side, has a little bit of a, I guess, starring on it over here. Besides that, it's in good condition. Taking a look at the rear quarter panel on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door looks good, clean throughout, very nice condition. Front fender on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Just noticed it had a little dent over here on the quarter panel on the driver's side. Right there, has a little tiny dent. And a small little dent here on the roof. And another one right here. Besides that, it's in really nice shape. Okay, well that completes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Look at that. Really in outstanding condition. Look at all the controls. Memory seat, armrest is in beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the interior. Interior's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really nice condition. Take a look at the driver's seat, also in beautiful condition. It's got a full set of floor mats. Rugs are clean. Very nice shape. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat in the back, also clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Take a look at the passenger side door panel on the inside. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really in great shape. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Taking a look at the leather. Leather's in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Rugs are clean, does come with a full set of floor mats. Keep in mind this car does have 90,000 miles. Some really nice condition inside. Let's take a look at the rear seating. Really nice. Leather looks good. Rugs are clean. Looks really nice overall. Very nice condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2011 Cadillac CTS-4. Gonna go ahead and start it up. Okay, as you can see there, all the gauges are working perfectly. No issues at all. The screen came up for the navigation. Really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this vehicle. It has 96,060 miles. Really nice. Beautiful condition for the mileage. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seat for the driver. You can see here, this button here, when you press it, the door opens. It's got like an actuator that opens the door for you, which is pretty cool. It's got cruise control on the steering wheel radio controls, automatic lights. It has fog lights. It's got an information center up above here. You can actually go through it there and it shows you the mileage, miles per hour, average speed, timer, miles to empty, all that good stuff. Controls for the wiper. This one has a keyless ignition, so you just have to have the key with you and you just turn that knob there, the car starts right up. Taking a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful shape, very nice condition. Navigation screen. You could actually lower that if you don't want to have it up, and you could bring it back up if you like. If it's a touch screen, so you can actually do all the controls from there. You can change the station and all that stuff from there. See, really nice. It has AM, FM, XM radio. Really cool. Let's go ahead and put it back on the navigation screen. Down below here, it has the controls for the radio. It has an analog clock. Shows you when the passenger's not in the seat on the side. Traction control, the button for the navigation up and down. This is day and night for the navigation screen. You can set it up. It could be a dark color or whatever at night, or light during the day. These are the controls for the radio, for the navigation. Pretty much all the controls are there. Climate control AC, one temperature for the driver and one for the passenger, which is pretty cool. Automatic transmission. It's got a couple cup holders there. Very nice. Up above, it's equipped with OnStar. It's got an automatically dimming mirror. Garage door openers. Really nice. I mean, if you think about it, it's a 2011. It's in beautiful condition. It's got about 90,000 miles. Take a look in the armrest here. It's got a plug for a USB and for auxiliary, and it has a power supply for your phone there. Lower there has another storage compartment, and then the leather. It's got a little mark here on the leather here. Besides that, looks really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radio, see how that works. Let's do a navigation destination, put points of interest. We'll give it a moment for it to load, and then we can go ahead and select browse by category, which is probably the easiest way to go. And then let's say you were looking for a bank nearby, you would click there. If you wanted a bank, you would select that. It'll give you the locations. If you click on the location, it'll tell you the phone number, it'll give you the address and the name of the bank. Pretty cool. So let's take a look at the other features it has here, which is audio. Audio, like we said, AM, FM, XM radio. You have all your favorites there on the bottom. I believe that's all we got here. Configuration. You can set up your speakers, your sound there. It's pretty cool. It's got available features here. You can set everything there. It also, if you subscribe to OnStar, you can actually have weather. You get weather reports there, which is pretty cool. Let's put it back on navigation again. Okay, well, that's pretty much all the equipment we have inside. It's the glove box right here. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive. We're sitting inside. I'm going to go ahead and take this little CTS-4 for a test drive. It's a lot of power. It feels good. All-wheel drives are usually a little bit quicker than the regular two-wheel drives. Steering wheel's nice and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and check the brakes real quick. Really nice. Lot of power. Really nice drive. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive. Pretty much stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this vehicle. Take a look at the tires, under the hood, and in the trunk area. And real quick before we cut out, I'm going to show you that it does have a backup camera. So when you put it in reverse, it has a backup camera. And then you can take a look and see where you're backing up. Really nice feature. We're taking a look at the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in great condition. Look at that. Really in beautiful shape. Beneath here you have a air pump. This car does not come with a spare tire, so it has an air pump, so in case you need to fill your tire up with air, you got an air pump right there. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great condition. Really nice. Look at this. Beautiful shape. Really in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front driver's side tire. Tire's in good condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Does have some imperfections here and there. Nothing major. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tires look good. Look at that. Good amount of tread on there. Really nice tire. Goodyear. Rim is clean and in great condition. Does have a couple little imperfections here on the edge. Besides that, it's in really nice shape. Take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in good shape. Rim is clean. Does have a couple imperfections here and there. And up above here. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in good condition. Really in nice shape. Rim is clean. Does have some imperfections here on the edge. A little bit of road rash there. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear quarter panel on the passenger side. That was the only item that was damaged. It had some damage here. We went ahead and repaired the quarter panel and blended the front door on the passenger side. That's about it. Everything else is all original paint. That's the only repair that was done to this vehicle. That's why it has a rebuilt title. Well, that concludes our video for this 2011 Cadillac CTS-4. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, nationalautosaleLLC.com. Thank you very much.